Okay, so for our classical conditioning project, we're going to take her sister Brianna and we're going to throw a pillow at her after we play a noise on our phone, and then we're going to see how long it takes for her to give us like a good reaction and for her brain to realize that every time we make this noise, there's going to be a pillow thrown at her.
So an unconditioned stimulus is a stimulus that naturally and automatically triggers a response. So in our experiment, it's the pillow. And an unconditioned response is the unlearned, naturally occurring response to the unconditioned stimulus. So in our case, that is the anger that she's going to get once we throw the pillow at her. And the neutral stimulus is when a stimulus which initially produces no specific response before conditioning, but after conditioning, it becomes the conditioned response. And in our case, that's the tone we're going to use when we throw the pillow, because when she hears the noise, she's going to know that we're going to throw the pillow at her. And a conditioned stimulus is an originally irrelevant stimulus that becomes associated with an unconditioned stimulus, which triggers a conditioned response. And in our case, that is the tone again. And the conditioned response is the learned response to a previously neutral stimulus. And that is when that's when Brianna hears the noise. She's going to get mad because she's going to think that we're going to throw the pillow at her.
Like she'll finally realize that that's what's going to happen after a few trials.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let's look in here. Okay, so for operant conditioning, there are two different things. So for the punishment part, positive type is it's like how you influence behavior by adding something unpleasant. The negative is influencing behavior by taking away something unpleasant. And then for reinforcement, there's a negative and a positive as well. And the negative is that the behavior is strengthened by stopping a negative outcome. And the positive is the addition of a reinforcing stimulus following a behavior that will be more likely to continue happening. So like if you show them that they're going to get something out of it, then they're going to continue to keep being good to get that thing like in return. I guess if that makes sense. Come on, Katie. Come on. What are you doing? What is wrong with you? Stop. I can't.